Hello YouTube, thought I'd do a quick video. I've had a few people email me asking where some videos are at. My email address is on my main YouTube page up on top. There's a link to email me. But I've been doing a lot of behind the scenes. Been waiting for parts. I'm still waiting for parts. But I kind of, one night I was kind of thinking here, and I thought it'd be kind of nice to have a circuit that lets you select. I have not seen anything like this, so I don't think there's nothing like this exists. But I want to make a circuit that lets somebody select either to use the blue box, which I've done videos on, or the DB9 connector that does not require the blue box. Does not require really to modify the radio either. You can buy this USB to DB9 adapter for like $9. So, and I'm also going to have it be adjustable with I got some trimmer potentiometers, because it seems like for some radios, and every radio is different, either the volume is too high or too low. So if I have adjustments on the circuit board where you can kind of fine tune the volume more than you can with the radio, that circuit's going to have that too. And what else? That's about it. So that's what my plan is. Like I said, I haven't seen nothing like that. There may be times where a person has this blue box or wants to use this blue box because it lets you run Zello in a different way. Or if you don't want to spend the money on the blue box and you don't care if you use Zello in gateway mode and you don't want to modify your radio, then you can use the DB9 connector. So that's the difference between these. And I just want a circuit that does both. You flip a switch, something like that effect. So I have to breadboard it. Now, for some of you who don't know what a breadboard is, it is a solderless way of building a circuit. You plug in your parts on here, and you can, move them by, you can switch them out by just pushing them on the little board here. And all these wires that you see that you see next to it are for this reason. Like this DB9 here, it's got a pin on it where I can just plug it into the board when I build the circuit. Same with the cables coming from the two-way radio right here. Cables coming from the computer USB sound card right here. And this cable here is my tone, to inject tone in the microphone, so I don't have to sit there and say audio 1 2 3. This is my tone generator, so I can quickly switch out parts, plug things in, move things around. That's what a breadboard is. Solderless breadboard is. If I need to use a power supply, I can plug in a power supply over here, and it'll let me put power up on the top and the bottom rows. And I can jumper it over to the circuit if I need power. Once a person's done building their circuit and wants to get it fine-tuned, then you would go from this to a circuit board and then solder the components onto them. So that's what a solderless breadboard is, if you were wondering. So that's one thing I want to mention. And I may do other videos on other things, but I'm kind of been working behind the scenes. I had to order parts, and what I mean by that is I had to get some transistors in, capacitors, stuff like that, resistors. Like you've seen the trimmer pots. I got those in. So I've been waiting for parts too. And I'm still waiting for parts, but that's what's kind of going on. I know this is kind of off topic. I know some people don't like that, and I apologize that this ain't really GMRS related, or some of the videos that I've done are not GMRS related. Don't worry, we'll get back to that, but we got to finish this so that people can hook their radios up to Zello if they want to, if they choose to. Then once we get that done, we'll be focusing more on the GMRS, different tweaks and mods and whatnot. So I got a lot of ideas on that. So that's one of the things I want to do. So, at any rate, I thought I'd just do a quick video about this so you guys know what's going on. And like I say, I'll be posting some videos as soon as I can. So if you have any questions or comments, please post them down below. Please subscribe, and thank you, and have a good day.